Hey guys, today's Christmas Eve and this is Ice Storm 2013 and we still don't have power. But these trees are looking pretty sparkly now. Hopefully we get power back tomorrow. That'll be our Christmas present. Trees and stuff are still coming down. It's ridiculous how much ice. We think we got like a 1/4 inch of ice. But there's some people who aren't supposed to get back till Saturday. Power, it's ridiculous. It's selective pruning of the trees. That's what's going on. I don't know if you can hear that, but these trees are creaking when the wind blows. Alright, wish me luck on getting power back tomorrow. Bye.